Hi, welcome to NPA Teaching. Today we are going to continue our discussion on types of research. In the last video, we discussed quantitative and qualitative research, and now we are going to discuss about basic and applied research. Basic research is a type of research approach that is aimed at gaining or expansion of knowledge through better understanding of a subject or phenomena or basic law of nature. This type of research is primarily focused on advancement of knowledge rather than solving any specific problem. Therefore, the basic research is also referred to as pure research or fundamental research, and its major purpose is to generate new ideas, principles, and theories. The main usefulness of basic research is widespread and has global purpose to solve, which means it is executed without thought of a practical goal or specific applications in mind. For example, the basic science researchers investigate for answer to the questions such as how did the universe begin? What are the proton, neutron and electrons composed of? How do slime molds reproduce? And what are the specific genetic code of the fruit fly? These are some of the examples of basic research. As against the basic research, the applied research is designed to focus on providing a practical solution to a specific problem. It is a form of investigation that involves solution-oriented inquiries into a phenomena or field of study or research subject, which is generally employ empirical methodologies. Thus, when you try to solve one or more problems via practical methods, then the research methodology is called applied research. Hence, applied research is designed to solve practical problems of the modern world rather than to acquire knowledge for knowledge's sake. For example, applied researchers may investigate solutions to improve agricultural crop productions, for example, treat or cure specific disease, or improve the energy efficiency of homes, offices, or maybe mode of transportations. Now see what are the various types of applied research. The first one is action research. So action research is used to find a practical problem solution in a social situation with a view to improve the quality of action within it by involving various collaboration and cooperation of researchers, practitioners and laymen. The second one is social impact studies. The social impact studies is a technical mean to analyze and evaluate the impact and results of various policies, projects, events and activities in a social aspects, which is aimed at understanding the various situations, reasons and results of social life. Then the next one is cost-benefit analysis. The cost-benefit analysis involves adding up the benefits or merits of a course of action and then comparing these benefit with demerits or costs associated within it. Thus, it is a straightforward tool for deciding whether to pursue or continue a particular project. And finally, the evaluation research. The evaluation research is systematic evaluation of worth or merit of time, money, effort, and resources which is spent in order to achieve a particular goal. So here we are just evaluating the project. So these are the various types of applied research where we want to find the immediate solution for a particular problem. Now see what are the various differences between basic research and applied research. See, both basic and applied researchers are important to the advancement of human knowledge, but they work slightly in different ways and they have different end goals. See, the first one, the basic research is a type of research that is concerned with the expansion of knowledge. while applied research is concerned with solving a practical problem using scientific methods. Secondly, basic research generates new theories or improve the existing theories, and it is theoretically in nature. On the other hand, applied research creates a practical solution to a specific problem, hence it is practical in nature. Thirdly, basic research is knowledge specific while applied research is solution specific, as it is finding solution to various specific problems. So fourthly, the scope of basic research is universal while applied research is limited in nature. This means that while applied research address specific problems and limited to the problem specific which is going to address, while the basic research explore multiple dimensions of various fields. Fifthly, basic research is primarily explanatory while applied research is descriptive in nature. So basic research adopt an indirect approach to problem solving while applied research adopt a direct approach to problem solving. And finally, the basic research is generalizations are common while applied research specific problems are investigated without aim of generalization. Thus, applied research is concerned with solving practical problems using scientific methods, while basic research is concerned with the expansion of knowledge that has a broader base of application and adds to the already existing body of scientific knowledge. So, most of the scientists believed that the basic or fundamental understanding of all branches of sciences is needed in order to progress to take place. So in other words, we can say that the basic research laid down the foundation for applied science that follows. I hope you are clear about the concepts of basic and applied research. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Thank you.